Hello everyone, welcome to Learn Tech, or if you're new here, welcome to the community. I'm your Learn Tech instructor and I'm thrilled to have you on board. On this channel, we dive deep into the world of technology, offering a variety of courses to help you build and enhance your skills. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced developer, there is something here for everyone. Our primary focus revolves around key technologies such as Python. Now, in simple terms, Python is a computer programming language that people use to tell computer what to do. It's known for being easy to read, versatile, and can be used for many different tasks like building websites, creating games, or analyzing data. Python is like a friendly tool that helps you communicate with the computer and makes them perform tasks. We will also learn about Django. Django is a high-level web framework written in Python that encourages rapid website development. And we will also learn about SQL. SQL is a core language used to interact with your database. And finally, Flet. Flet is a Python framework used to build web application, desktop application, and mobile applications. These are powerful tools and frameworks that can open a world of possibility in web development and beyond. In each course, we will take a hands-on approach, providing step-by-step tutorial, practical example, and real-world projects. Whether you want to master the basic or tackle advanced concepts, we have got you covered. Learning is a journey, and I want us to take it together. Do not hesitate to drop your question and thoughts in the comment section. Let's build a supportive community where we all can learn and grow together. Every month, we will upload a random course for you to learn. If you haven't already, make sure you hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thank you for joining me on this tech adventure. I can't wait to share knowledge, explore new technology, and build amazing things together. Stay tuned and let's get started on this incredible journey. Thank you.